We found our deal. We know our numbers. What's the next step, Darius? The next step is make your offer. Step 3 might be the most pivotal step. Why? Because we as investors, we don't make money when we sell the property, but we make money when we buy the property. What our deal analyzer does, it allows you to plug in specific numbers and it gives you an excellent number to offer. And you can also go by your MAO formula. What is the MAO? That's your maximum allowable offer. Now, you do have these offers. You may have your maximum allowable offer. That is your ARV multiplied by 70% minus your repair costs. You have these offers, but these are simply the max that you can offer. But I'm always of the opinion that the lower you can get it, the better. In fact, when you make your offers many times, you will leave people scratching their heads. You may leave some people offended. You may leave some people angry. But at the end of the day, as long as you're sticking to your numbers, you can be at peace when you put your head down at night. Why? Because there are too many investors, they buy too high and they buy with too much optimism. Listen, overestimate repairs and underestimate your sale value. This is the way that you can make money and become a viable investor. So again, we found our deal. We know our numbers. Now it's time for you to put your big boy pants on and make that offer. Good luck.